Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today, I am going to do something that I think you guys might actually find silly, because I'm surprised that I haven't at least tried this once before. As you guys know, on my two channels, I do like to try just anything, really. Especially on my Making Stuff channel, we just go crazy on there sometimes and just try some weird stuff. So today, I'm going to do a flip cup, but I'm going to do it in a waterfall pour style. So we're going to see, and this is just a small canvas, just an 8x10. We're just testing it out. There's nothing, we're not groundbreaking here, anything. This is just for fun, and we're going to see how that works out. All right, so now you guys know I've been putting the colors in the description. I'm going to continue to do that to save a little bit of time so you guys don't get overly chatted up too much. But this is going to be fairly simple. We're going to layer this cup. We're going to put down our pillow base. Now, our pillow base here today, guys, I have to be totally honest with you because I am always honest with you. Plus, there's never silicone in this right here, so no silicone here. But our pillow base is probably more of a hybrid pillow base. I believe there is some actual titanium white in this pillow base, not just the Artist Loft level one. That's just me. I had a couple and I mixed them together. A lot of this is leftover paints. So, all right, guys. See, I went ahead and I chatted you guys up a little there. Anyway, so with that being said, we're going to go right into this. And you know what? I will see you on the other side. Let's go. Alright guys, we are back in here, and you guys know I don't have to say it, I love these layering of the cups. It's so much fun. You guys know it. Look at this beauty. She is beautiful. Oh, now you notice we didn't put any white in there because I wasn't going to risk putting that white in just in case there is the Artist Loft level 1 in there predominantly, because then we will make a lot of clouds and we don't really want that in this situation. Alright, so let's put this over here. Nice. Let's bring our little baby canvas back into frame here, guys. Woo! Oh, I'm kind of excited. This is crazy. All right, let's set our waterfall up. We're going to put the little cups underneath. Very easy. Now, I was debating how I'm going to do this because I don't think it's probably not wise to flip the cup on an actual angle. I don't think I'm going to be there. So I think when I flip the cup, I think all I'm going to do is lift the canvas up just enough to get the cup on, okay? And then we're going to have to go right into the actual waterfall part. So that should be kind of interesting. All right, guys. So let's make that happen. All right, this is going to be fun. Hopefully it comes out great and you guys can try this at home because I want to see how this goes. I would like to try it on a way bigger canvas because I love flip cups and I love waterfall pours. So perfect combination for me. And again, chatting you up again, guys. But I love to talk and you guys know that. The true fans of this channel will appreciate me just gabbing on sometimes. So, with that being said, let's jump back into some nice music again, guys. And I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, we're coming back down here. Wow. Okay. 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 I can tell you some things here. This is kind of cool. I can see where I went wrong and I can see where I went right. And now we can adjust. And now we can try this at home because it is actually super easy. And, man, I really like this pattern here. It's really cool. I'll tell you, the reasoning behind the white. Okay, so I know you guys are going to question. Oh, gosh. Oh, just made a huge mess. You guys have no idea. But the reasoning, I put that white down. I kind of wish I didn't in a way because I kind of want to see what the flip cup looked like on its own without the white. I really wanted to put that white because I do want some little pearl cells to pop up through here because there was no white in this. So I don't have any differential and mixing of the paint colors. You know, I like to do the white in there so I can get some nice shades and some tones. But I didn't do that this time, so I wanted to put it underneath, and I want this stuff to rise up. So let's torch and see what happens, okay? Because we know how this Artist Loft Level 1 works by now. Yeah, I'm a mess today. I'll tell you, I came home, and I was so excited. I just wanted to get this done. I've been thinking about this all day. I'm like, why haven't I done this yet? So I was very excited to see what would happen in this situation. And I really do like the design here. I kind of like this design maybe over a normal flip cup. It's very, I don't know how to say it. I mean, it's subtle. It's not over. It's not pushing in your face. You know, the cells are not popping out because of the flip cup and that crazy power. All right, so we're going to go in for that close-up. And guys, really, this was just a test. We're going to try it on a bigger canvas because that was super easy. All right, you know what we're gonna do? Going for that close-up. Go back to some music, which we usually do. And guys, I will see you later. Thank you for hanging out today. Bye.